When looking at a problem like this, it can be easy to get overwhelmed. But with a few simple formulas, it's really easy. The first formula is for a 45-45-90 triangle, meaning two of the angles are 45 degrees, while the other is 90 degrees, obviously adding up to 180. The formula is x on one side, and the other duplicate side, x, while the hypotenuse is x root. The other formula we need is 60-30-90 triangle. This is where the hypotenuse equals 2 times x, the vertical side on the left is x, and the base is x root 3. Keep in mind, this is just the relationship between the three sides. Now that we have our two formulas, we can begin to solve for the missing sides of the big triangle. If you look at the orientation for the 30-60-90 triangle, you can see it's in the right orientation to solve for part of the big triangle. Let's start with the information we know. We know the hypotenuse of the big triangle, which is in the same orientation of the 30-60-90 triangle. We know that the hypotenuse is 2x in relation to the base of the triangle. So if we solve for x by isolating it, we get 4.5. According to this relationship, we now have the side that stems down from the 60-degree angle, because in our relationship, this represents x. Now, with this information, we can solve for the base of the triangle, as we have the formula which relates to x. It states x root 3 equals base, and since we have x, we can multiply that by root 3 to find the base. We want to leave it in exact form, so just leave it as 4.5 root 3. Also, since it's a shared side, they must have the same length, so that side of the small triangle also equals 4.5. Now, since we have one of the angles at 45 degrees and we know there's a 90-degree angle embedded in the triangle, we can use the formula for 45-45-90. So, we know that both short sides, which aren't the hypotenuse, are equal, so we can label this as 4.5 as we already have one of the side lengths. Now, for the hypotenuse of the 45-45-90 triangle, we can see it's x multiplied by root 2. So, as we have already solved for x, we can just multiply 4.5 by root 2. Now, by using these two formulas, we've completed all the side lengths for this triangle. The complete base length is 4.5 plus 4.5 root 3. Thank you.